Here's the second unboxing for today. The first one was about Canon EOS M6 and this one is Canon 90D. It's a successor of Canon EOS 80D combined with Canon EOS 7D Mark II. So let's see what's inside. Inside this body you are able to find megapixel sensor with resolution of 32.5 megapixels. So I think that's plenty enough. They are using the standard LPE6N battery, so the same as previous model, also the same one that has all the 5D series. So that's good step from Canon. The packaging is a little bit smaller and unusual, and let's check this beauty. Okay, when we go through the buttons, I don't think they changed it a lot. Against the 7D Mark II it's a little bit changed, but against the 80D it's probably the same, I think. From the second side it's look almost the same way. Here's the joystick, switching. Okay, SD card port. And let's see the port side. So we have the cable release, microphone, and also headphones port, and HDMI, and this one is standard USB. I have no idea why they didn't put their USB-C, but still display the same way, twisting and rotating. Okay, let's turn it on. As usual, we have the automatic mode, scene mode, and manual mode, and so on and so on. So let's put it on manual. Okay, we don't need to set up the date. And let's go to the qualities. ISO. So the ISO starts from 100 to 600, so 25,000. Yeah, I think that's plenty enough. Let's go back. Let's see how this is gonna shoot. Okay, from the sound it sounds like 8 frames per second, so maybe 9. It's quite good. And we can switch it to video. Let's see what's inside. We need to attach a lens. So let's switch it to video, and we could go through the quality. Sound recording, the resolution. So we have here 4K with 25 frames per second. I think that's enough. And let's see if we have some high frame rate. We have on full HD 100 frames, so that's enough. And you can choose to disable the 4K movie cropping. So if you want to have cropping on 4K, you can enable it and you can disable it. So it's pretty good touch from Canon. Yeah. So this is the first unboxing on Canon EOS 90D. Let's stay tuned for detailed review in few days.